The simulation hypothesis has been a topic of discussion and debate in the field of philosophy, science, and technology for many years. The hypothesis states that our reality may be a simulated construct created by some advanced beings or a super-intelligent aid. The concept raises many questions about the nature of reality and the purpose of our existence. Nick Bostrom's paper, "Are You Living in a Computer Simulation?" was a landmark publication in the field and proposed a trilemma that raises the possibility that we are indeed living in a computer simulation. Bostrom argues that one of the three possibilities must be true. Either almost all civilizations at our level of technological development go extinct before they are able to create a post-human civilization. The probability of a civilization being able to run ancestor simulations is effectively zero, or we are almost certainly living in a computer simulation. Elon Musk, CEO of SpaceX and Tesla, has expressed interest in the simulation hypothesis, stating that the chances that we are living in a base reality are 1 in billions. He also says that if we are in a simulation, it's likely that the creators of the simulation are far more advanced than us, and that we might never be able to break out of it. The concept of the simulation hypothesis has been taken up by many other philosophers, scientists, and technologists. Daniel Dennett, in his paper Simulation Hypothesis and the Explanatory Gap, explored the implications of the hypothesis for our understanding of consciousness and the mind. He argues that if our reality is indeed a simulation, then it may shed light on the explanatory gap between physical processes and conscious experience. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are critical components of the simulation hypothesis. If our reality is a simulation, then it is being run on some form of super-intelligent AI, which is capable of simulating the experiences and decisions of billions of beings. Advances in AI and machine learning have the potential to bring us closer to understanding the nature of the simulation and the beings who created it. One interesting aspect of the simulation hypothesis is the idea of deja vu and glitches in the simulation. These strange experiences could be interpreted as glitches in the code of the simulation, revealing its underlying digital nature. Some proponents of the hypothesis argue that these glitches are evidence that we are indeed living in a computer simulation. Another area of exploration within the simulation hypothesis is the question of what lies outside of the simulation. If our reality is a simulation, then what is the real reality outside of it? Some scientists and philosophers have explored the idea of multiple simulations, nested within each other like Russian dolls. Others have speculated that the simulation may be part of a larger universe-sized simulation created by beings on another level of reality. The future of research on the simulation hypothesis is promising, with many avenues for exploration and new technologies to help us understand the nature of reality. The development of advanced AI systems may one day allow us to interact with the simulation in a more conscious way and unlock its secrets. The concept of the simulation hypothesis raises many questions about our existence and the nature of reality, and as technology continues to advance, it will be fascinating to see how our understanding of these questions evolves.